Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I'm gonna show you what to do when this clean me light starts flashing, or basically how to perform a cleaning cycle on the Barista Express from Breville, and what to do after the cycle is over, which is in my opinion the most important step. Okay, so before you begin, you want to have your water tank filled up to the top and have your drip tray completely empty. Next, you want to have your single shot basket in your portafilter, and on top of that this silicone ring that comes with the machine. The machine comes with 2 complimentary cleaning tablets, but if you've misplaced them or if you've lost them, you can order some from Amazon. I'll have a link down below. So you're gonna place 1 tablet in the silicone ring and lock the portafilter in place. You want to have your machine off and then simultaneously press the double shot, single shot and power button until the cleaning cycle begins. The cleaning cycle will take a few minutes, and once it's done you can remove the portafilter and check if the tablet's fully dissolved. If the tablet hasn't fully dissolved, you can just repeat the same step. It usually takes 2 or 3 cycles. For me it took 3 cycles this time. So make sure to keep repeating the steps until the tablet's fully dissolved. And after you've completed the cleaning cycle, what I recommend is to flush out the remaining of the water in the water tank to make sure there's no chemicals left in the machine. So you can do that by placing an empty container below the group head. Flush out the group head by pressing the double shot button, then turn on the steam wand and then the hot water dispenser. So keep repeating this until the water from the water tank has been emptied out. You can do another half a tank or a full tank. I think a half tank of water to flush out the machine to kind of rinse it out of any remaining chemicals from the tablet is enough. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like it. Subscribe to my channel if you like to learn more about coffee and espresso making, and until next time, see ya.